Welcome to our video on building a solid foundation in network marketing.
In this video, we will share key tips that will help beginners succeed in this industry.
The first tip is to choose the right network marketing company.
Look for a company with a strong track record, a proven system, and products or services that you are passionate about. Next, set realistic goals for your network marketing business. Start with small achievable goals and gradually increase them as you gain experience and build momentum.
Networking is essential in network marketing.
Focus on building relationships and connecting with like-minded individuals who can support and mentor you on your journey. To succeed in network marketing, learn from experts in the field. Follow industry leaders, attend training events, and invest in personal development to enhance your skills.
Consistency is crucial in network marketing.
Dedicate regular time and effort to build your business, follow up with prospects, and stay committed to your goals. One of the most important tips for beginners in network marketing is to provide value to others. Offer solutions, share valuable content, and be a resource that people can rely on. Network marketing comes with ups and downs. Stay positive, believe in yourself, and persist through challenges.
Remember that success takes time and consistent effort.
In conclusion, building a solid foundation in network marketing requires choosing the right company, setting realistic goals, building your network, learning from experts, being consistent, providing value, and maintaining a positive and persistent mindset. By following these tips, beginners can pave the way for success in this industry.